Powered by technology, leading the industry development. The Arctech first-generation intelligent PV cleaning robot is designed for efficient operation and maintenance of PV power plants throughout their life cycle. Its body is made from lightweight, high-strength composite materials, reducing weight by over 30% compared to traditional cleaning machines. This not only minimizes the risk of concealed cracks in solar modules, but also enhances endurance by 20%. The industry's first high-strength modular transmission system replaces the traditional chair wheel design, achieving a maintenance-free transmission system for the entire life cycle. Intelligent four-wheel drive design with excellent obstacle crossing and hill climbing capabilities. It is also equipped with an intelligent deviation correction function to ensure straight and stable movement. An intelligent mechanical windproof docking system with stable parking can withstand wind speeds of more than 50 meters per second. Equipped with a SCADA platform linked to the tracker system for efficient automated operation and can be controlled via a mobile app. Arctech first generation intelligent PV cleaning robot. Intelligent leading PV intelligent cleaning system. Intelligent manufacturing tracking plus leading the future.